Today I will teach you how to make duck dung fragrant dancong lemon tea. To make a cup of delicious lemon tea, not only must you choose the right lemon, but the most important thing is to choose the right tea base. Next, I will teach you how to brew the bottom of the tea. Add tea leaves and boiling water into the measuring pot, then fully stir evenly, and then seal and brew for 10 minutes. After brewing, stir the tea leaves before filtering, then filter the tea leaves, add ice cubes and stir evenly for later use. First, the shaker is beaten with perfume lemon and 80 grams of ice cubes. Join us for today's dancong tea. Our duck feces flavored dancong has a long-lasting flavor and a light floral flavor. The taste is also very long-lasting. The lemon tea made can achieve a rich and full taste bud enjoyment. Then add golden syrup, shake the ice cubes evenly and pour into the cup. It's easy to complete. If you want to know more about the latest raw material information in the industry, just pay attention to our Xiaoya students. Bye bye, we will see you next time.